Steven here with IGN News, and Pizza Hut has announced a new product that pushes the boundaries of traditional pizza and all that is holy by combining pizza with hot dogs. 28 of them to be exact, conveniently baked right into the crust. It's called the Hot Dog Bites Pizza. Both pretzel bread and traditional crust versions will be available, complete with French's mustard for dipping. Antacids are not included. Locations in the UK and Canada have already experimented with versions of this thing. Now it is being inflicted on Americans. Pizza Hut will begin offering the Hot Dog Bites Pizza on June 18th. For more, stay tuned to IGN.